Meaning of hara-kiri.
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 Hara-kiri. Hara-kiri is a Japanese term that refers to a form of ritualistic suicide where a person would disembowel themselves with a short sword. The purpose of this act was to restore the honor of oneself or one's family after a perceived wrongdoing. It was also considered an honorable way to avoid capture or torture by enemies. However, hara-kiri is no longer practiced in Japan today and is generally viewed as a barbaric and outdated tradition. The violent and gruesome nature of hara-kiri has made it a subject of fascination and horror in popular culture.